How to share a document in Google Docs. First of all, open the Google Docs app and open the document you want to share. Tap the share icon, usually located in the top right corner of the screen. A sharing menu will appear where you can add email addresses of the people you want to share the document with. Before sending, you can choose the permission label for each person, whether they can view, comment, or edit the document. Once you have added the email addresses and set permissions, tap Send to share the document. You can also get a shareable link by tapping on the three dots next to your document file and selecting Copy Link. Then, send it via your preferred messaging app or email. Anyone with the link can access the document based on the permission you set, making collaboration simple and efficient. And that's it. Now you know how to share a document in Google Docs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.